Welcome back to day 26 of our Java series. Today we are going to talk about wrapper classes and something called autoboxing. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. So what are wrapper classes? In Java, every primitive type like int, char, double has a special object version. These are called wrapper classes. Int, integer, char, character, double, double, boolean, boolean. So basically, wrapper class wrap primitive data types inside an object. So why do we need them? Because sometimes Java only works with objects, like in collections, array list, hash map. You can't directly put int in an array list, but you can put integer. So what is autoboxing? Autoboxing means Java automatically converts a primitive into a wrapper object. For example, int num equal to 10, it is a primitive type. Integer obj equal to num. Autoboxing happens here. You don't need to write integer.value of num, Java does it for you. And the opposite of autoboxing is unboxing. Integer obj equal to 20, int num2 equal to obj. This is unboxing. So let's write an example. Let's say we want to take input as integer and store it in a wrapper class. Import java.util.scanner, public class wrapper demo, public static void main string args, scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. System.out.print, enter your age. Int age equal to sc.nextInt. Integer age wrapper equal to age. System.out.println, you entered age, age wrapper. Int again primitive equal to age primitive. System.out.println, unboxed back primitive plus age primitive. And the output is enter your age 25. You entered age 25. Unboxed back to primitive 25. In here, int is like the raw number. Integer is putting that number inside an environment suit. Now it's an object with superpowers. Autoboxing is Java saying, don't worry, I'll put it in the suit for you. Unboxing is Java saying, okay, I'll take it out of the suit now.